How to overcome negative emotions, a step by step guide. Number 1. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness can help you stay present in the moment and avoid getting caught up in negative thoughts and emotions. Number 2. Identify triggers. Understand the things that cause negative emotions for you and try to avoid them or find ways to cope with them. Number 3. Exercise regularly. Physical activities can help reduce stress and improve your mood. Number 4. Get enough sleep. Adequate sleep is essential for maintaining emotional well-being. Number 5. Practice gratitude. Focusing on the things you're grateful for can help shift your perspective and reduce negative emotions. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Number 6. Maintain a positive attitude. A positive mindset can help you see the best in yourself and others and reduce negative emotions. Number 7. Connect with others. Having supportive relationships can help you feel more positive and less alone in difficult times. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies. Stay tuned. Number 8. Avoid ruminating. Focusing too much on negative energy, negative thoughts, and emotions can make you feel worse. So try to let them go and focus on the present moment. Number 9. Find healthy outlets for emotions. Expressing your emotion in a healthy way, such as through journaling, art, or talking to a therapist, can help you process them and reduce negative emotions. Number 10. Practice self compassion. Treating yourself with kindness and understanding when you experience negative emotions can help you feel more positive. Number 11. Prioritize self care. Making time for activities that make you feel good and take care of your physical and emotional needs. Number 12. Set realistic expectations. Avoid setting unrealistic expectations for yourself or others to reduce disappointments and negative emotions. Number 13. Find a sense of purpose. Having a sense of purpose in life can give you a sense of direction and meaning which can reduce negative emotions. Number 14. Seek professional help. If you are unable to manage negative emotions by yourself, do not hesitate to seek professional help from therapists or counselors. They can help you understand and manage your emotions in a healthy way. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies. We'll be sharing more insights and techniques to help you live a happier and more fulfilling life. So do not forget to subscribe the button and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you.